What's up, guys? David Fixing for Fun. Today we're going to be unburying my lift. Now the snow brush isn't just for roofs, it can also be used for equipment. So let's see if we can get this unburied and fire it up. Okay, so I thought I hit record. I did not, but I knocked the major snow off with a snow rake. It fired up remarkably well. Now we're going to shovel out the basket and see if this doesn't go somewhere. Well, guys, I'd like to take a minute and say thank you for watching the video, and I'm looking for feedback. I want to know where I can improve with my content. I want to know what you guys like, what you don't like. So if you can leave it in the comments where I can improve my videos to make it more entertaining for you, I'd really appreciate it. And if you like the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up. It really helps me gauge where I am and what type of content you guys like.
It's frozen for the lifetime, baby. So cool. Ready? It's going to be all the way so it's straight, and then it's all going to fall. Look.
YouTubers to see who helped me.
It was his daughter. It was his daughter, Claire.
How old are you?
6.
And you operated the mini excavator and yanked that out. Good job, sweetie.